if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. We realize that you guys are watching, but you're not subscribing. So we need you to subscribe. And one of the #1 way how our content reach other people without we advertising is through WhatsApp and through Facebook. So if you guys are watching me now, no hesitate. Pause the video, click the share button, share it on your WhatsApp status, share it on your Facebook, and make persons know what's really going on. So we are make some movie in Jamaica, and we are trying to be the next Hollywood. So big up on yourself.
So, Chopper, when you say you go buy the car,
Boy, baby, may I tell you, say, the car dey on walk right now, may I tell you, clear me for cleared.
from you dropping in my life, you know, Chopper, I'll be a good things are going for me, you know.
Them not call me chopper for no reason, you know. I'll be a food where I chop, mama, me go nice. I'll be a things that go on worse when all the bins drop. You see a brown and pretty.
Be a hotel.
Yo, let me tell you what I go on, yo. I'll be a money a chop.
All of them, they carry what you buy for yourself. I hope you know say you buy one, give me, you know.
Yeah, man. The one where they sit down so they like that one there.
No, the new limited edition drop top BMW.
No, yeah, I'm to you, mama. I have to make you nice. I am an angel, I am a queen. I'm to you.
Chopper.
I mean, man, money have to chop, man, and I have to spend money on a beautiful girl them like you. And I see a brown and pretty.
Chopper.
What you mean?
And party all night.
What you mean? A hotel and then sitting there and be a flossing. You see?
Chopper no say a word, man. When you say that, you call my name.
You know, say what I go do when I done, I go just come so boom and go down. You see me, and all I change your clothes and all I look fresh and link up a little more and yo, you can go out your dinner, you know, man. You can eat something and feel nice. You see me, anything you choose, you see me? Yeah, man, big man thing.
Why, because I can't believe say you have to come for build up a gate in a reach here already. I mean, like them gate, you know?
Right.
Because if I nothing, we did them for cut off and build back over.
Watch out. See my phone now.
How are you going, boss?
Morning.
Yeah, man, I think you don't come from morning to build up a gate.
I told me I do some work for yesterday, man, and I'm tired up the whole time. Late last night, I end up reach home. So, sorry about that, man. I'm there now. What you say I want to do for you now?
No, man, that's good, man. That's no problem. You're there nonetheless. Alright, so here what I want to know. You see, brother, we make the angular. I don't want to feel grilling look nothing like this. Because he know do them good.
Well, this gator is not going to gain no length of time because he might not even bore no hole in it. And for me, if you make air pass through. So, yeah, so I have to change them. You see me?
The gate done there, so I don't really change them right now. But the wall, I want you to grill up the wall. You see me? And if once you want them, you make for your wall look good, then we just make you do your house. Alright?
I'm going to teach me, man. So, you know, say I get the best well, then you get it.
Alright, then, my boss, no problem. So just measure up it and just make me know how much it will cost. Alright?
Yeah, man, no problem. Sorry, then.
Angela.
Chops, baby. Look like you read me, man. Are you me that come check, you know? So, Chops,
Yeah.
why you walk and how you look so what? Shop you come?
Boy, man, I tell you that you not even know where going on. You know, say Almoka running for me. Running in my house in all night morning, you. I mean, I tell you, I lose everything. I'm there like coat.
So
Boy, me have to buy out the case.
So, what on the chopper? Mocha running pan you and take everything. The car, the money.
Boy, me I tell you, mama, them running and take everything. Me I tell you, say the only little money I could have saved and buy one little bike. You see me? That me I tell you.
Hold on. At this you use the money back? One little download second hand bike? And I you me that come calling in a chopper? So how we expect to ride on that me? You must be crazy, chopper. You see when you get back your life and everything, you link me because right now look like
Angela, you really are going left me? Yo, remember saying this is just like a one little thing, you know. Remember saying, you know, me can grab back a skull, you know, and make back piece of money and me nice again, you know.
chopper, be quiet. Don't make a total fool of yourself. You hear me tell you? So you see when you get all of your things sorted out, you know exactly where to find me. Because right now I have places to go, people to meet and money to make. Bye.
Excuse me, Mike. That's it.
So my name is Jason. Sorry for being so intrusive, man.
Hi, I'm Angela and this is my mom, Candy. Mommy,
How happened? Where you go?
me I go move in with Jason, mommy. I spend a little time with him.
So, oh, you don't make me know say did I leave?
Mommy, me a big woman and I have to tell everything.
Anyway, you can go on. Take care of yourself.
Alright, love you. You hear me call when we reach down.
So yeah, as me there tell you babes, me I want contractor. So you see that I call this an engine, you know. I just want a little bolt stuck in it. So me I get out here tight and make sure so everything alright with it.
So your own?
No, not my own man. The people carry them things come here. That's some money. So see all them griller, money they on the whole of them. All of them like all something the way you see this. So money they on them. So don't worry yourself, man. Me know say you look good enough. And me have to spend money on you, you know. So me know them sitting there. You understand? So don't worry about that, man.
I'm glad you know because me know. I love enough things. As a woman, I love have money in my bank account. And I love have things to show. My nails have to do every week. My hair have to do. I'm gonna buy cheap wig. I'm gonna like walk. So you have to go buy me one car soon. You see how that car there where you just drop me off, you have to go change it by next month. Because I know you see them there's something there.
As I say, as soon as I sort out and relax my mind a little bit, you know what I just say. Don't worry about that, man. Everything's alright. But anyways,
Okay.
let's all come. Just make yourself at home. I'm gonna go get us some juice. I'm gonna come back. You can have a nice evening
So,
here.
the evening kind of gone down late, so you can't just buy food when you buy the juice.
Yeah, me just get that.
Alright.
Alright? Why don't you go look sexy?
Alright.
Angela, where you go?
Jason, me tired of the foolishness now. You never have money yet. What you do?
So you mean me never have money yet? Mama, you see, I done me, I try done the table to try collect your money off it. So you mean tell me say I go because I don't have money?
Jason, no bother with you. You see the look 20,000 or something you give me a week time, that can't do nothing. It can't even buy grocery good and put leftover in my pocket. Me can't bother with the foolishness, man. Me need one man who can give me a 100,000 a month time.
When me see some bums and do one of them grill and collect call me 50 and 60 and 80,000. And you get more sight, you know. And then when me done work out so me have to come in there so come work.
You see the man when me left and come there with you? He was a top man, top chopper. Let me take time talk. He was a top chopper. Man, we used to have Mark X and Crown and BMW and all of these cars. Carry me a fear go up and black to put up my foot in a that.
Alright, Angela. Alright. I may not be the best man I ever have or the best man I ever go get, you know. But no worry yourself, one day me I go sort out. But go on still. Me come up there when me collect your money then me come up there come back for you.
You sound like an Angela, that's all. Hold on, me coming! Hey. Angela, how we are going suitcase? Not tell me say something you and Jason have. Why problem?
Mommy, for me and Jason, no problem for me come back. No, if I other place, me can't come back. But, anyways, him don't have no money. Because when me and him just meet him, tell me say he's a big contractor. And him have whole heap of car engine and all kind of something I work on. And now, I be a old grill and something me have in yard and I know me can't get no money from him. Me come back. He tell me say when he have money, he will get some money. So when he have the money, he will come back. Tell him say alright. And he better make sure care for you one too.
Angela, I know some grow you know. You know say I know some grow you. And Jason a good man. Any man you see with one skill. If you don't understand what I mean. Him a trade man, him have a trade. You there with a good man, me know Jason long time. Look how much time Jason work hard and carry money come give you. Take care of you. Eh? All you do is waste the money. And a matter of fact, you see when you come on to Jason and you, do not put me in there. I do not want any money from him. Me no grow you, so no so me grow you. Angela, me can't believe that true because Jason not have no money now if he give you. You pack up and come where? Who to tell if Jason knows your guns? I surprise him when he come back. So you take out the things behind him back. Let me tell you something, Angela. That is not a good idea. You're a big woman now, you is not a child. And if Jason do not have it to give you now, remember say somebody will always give you a long time. And all the while. No, the one time you don't have a figure, you know, if you say you can go look a job too, and even help him too, until when him go back and get a job again. Remember say, the work when he do, a trade man him be, you know, so the work when he do, and all the time him go get work. Sometimes the people them, I go have job for him. Him I go have material for do it. Sometimes him I go run out of material. Sometimes no money no the day for buy. You feel say free things him I do?
Mommy, you hear what you say? You hear your own self? We are talking no make no sense. A man who does not have any money don't get any honey. You can't go to the supermarket and tell the cashier say I love you at the end of the day when the bill come. You hear? Remember no? You remember Chopper when me did talk to?
And then something you plan to turn out to? This is what you plan to do it for your life, eh? Me can't believe. And that chopper boy the way you used to talk to. Look here, let me tell you something. I sorry. God forgive me, you is my daughter. I sorry never chop in your look here. Let me tell you something. It's a lucky thing I stop you from talk to that chopper. Because maybe you die in your grave today with that chop.
Mommy, I know you me left my broken bro. No money, no honey.
Go on in with your suitcase, if you think I saw it all go in here so. Left man.
Thank you, mother. Thank you. Welcome back.
You're sick, my stomach. I can't believe saying have no sense. This girl big and fool, you see, man.
Yeah, Angela? I'm downstairs.
Alright, hold on, welcome. Where did I call me for?
So, when can I be so, Angela?
Where you call me for, Jason? Where did you want from me in the first place? Me have things upstairs I do, you know?
Angela, I just come check you.
Come check me!
So, I can't go check you on me there.
Me tell you, say, when you have money, you come back for me. So if you don't have no money, see get there.
So, Angela, you mean to tell me that this is a money relationship? Eh? This relationship is based off of money? Really, Angela?
It's not a money relationship, Jason, but money have to get involved.
So that means if I don't have no money, I can't get no love from you then. That's why you try to tell me.
Right, no money, no love. Good.
You know what? I think I'll go this way. You know what? It's alright. I get the money off it, so me just give, me get 15,000 off each job, so me just take it 10,000 now.
You take out 15,000, give me, because this you still can't even buy what me you want to buy. This can only start out my hair. This can't even pay the hairdresser.
Come, me get 15 and me I give you 5 out of it. And me I give you 10 out of it. Why me can't keep you 5?
So you come on me yard for then? $5,000 to keep up my time. Come.
Stop this, man. Stop it.
You know what? I'm going to take this. When you get the rest of the money, you come back only. Me excuse me, I have things I do upstairs.
So me can't come. Me can't get some water or something.
Can't come away. Get water from away. Go drink your sweat. Oh, mommy. Hey, you're sleeping, police.
Angela, why you treat Jason for?
How may I treat Jason?
You know see? You don't know.
So, me just come from downstairs with Jason. What that getting to you? How that involve you?
You and Jason they downstairs?
Yes.
You bring him come at the gate, collect money from him. You wicked.
Me never bring him come at the gate. Him come at the gate and him call me.
It no matter. You make him come at the gate. So you bring him there. I don't know you holding and carrying there. Go and like me I idiot. Don't time around. Look here. Angela, you know what I notice? From these last days, you treat Jason like him and nobody pick me. Me not like him. As somebody else's child. A people's son you they do so. You never know. You're too wicked and heartless and cruel.
Just not providing at this. You must think that look $15,000 when give me a nothing. $15,000 that can't do me here, can't do me nails, it can't wipe me back.
Shut up your ungrateful tongue. You know much woman out there so they with man for years and not even get sent from them there for you walk and watch people dirty clothes and clean up people dirty yard. You now work and one man they go work so hard and carry on you and you not even appreciate it. Angela is a wicked Miss Sorry Sam me. You know what? Go on. May God go with you.
Let me go with you too.
Where you still go man?
Evening, mommy.
Evening.
So your face long, so.
Where you a come from? And who for care that?
So me can go and come as me please again. Mommy, remember me not teenager, you know? Me not little pitney and me not suck breast. Me a big woman. And me have my own business for sort out. Me have a personal life of my own. Me not ask you where you are go right now, you know.
You and Jason about that again?
You love call broke people near me, see, mommy? Yeah, me and Jason there, but what does that have to do with him?
Why you so ungrateful? You're too ungrateful. Me can't believe what they come out of your throat. Especially about Jason, we work so hard and take care of you.
Jason can only provide food. So me need a man to provide.
At least you're not dead for hungry. That same suit where you have on, you tell me say Jason buy it give you for your birthday. So at the suit where Jason buy give you take gone in a people care with. Wait. Where they come from?
And the first time me I wear it, so me what?
Listen, so that you want Jason to do. Jason could have been my son, you know. He could have been my son. You is my daughter and you're there with Jason. And I see how well him take care of you. And God Almighty, man, don't make you so wicked. So all of Jason money they take and they go out with other man. And the man where they go out with, you can't tell me say no somebody else man. Because Jason for be your personal man and you they can't tell me say the man when me see you with his zero man and nobody else man. Me not understand you.
Well, that is another personal man.
You never see me with two man one time yet. I must mash me and one of them mash up. And me stay for a while and can't wait no more, then me move on again. Angela, you can't take so much man and come on me other sleeping on my bed. Me and you is not the same thing. And so me grow you, me not understand how make you grow up and turn such a hooligan all over the place with so much man. You know see the little young girl them are dead off because them a keep too much man. And make man a fall in love with them while them a fall out of it. Look how more friend this year over the news how they lose their life. Nobody can find not even the body. And what you want happen to for your life? You know mean yourself no good. Listen to me. Any day, Jason, do you not do you know? Please, but I beg you, not come to me if I mean like you don't go on a police station neither. Because me personally don't go down a station go tell them say you is a wicked and you is a liar and you're very ungrateful. God Almighty, me don't know if you do it. You're a big woman now, you know, and you can't come on me yard and they come carry next man come on me gate.
You're very much right. I am a big woman. I mean, I carry not so much man come here yard. I carry one man come here yard at a time. You did see me with two men out there in the vehicle?
Angela, then me if you agree with you, they have so much man and I make me turn upstairs and see you. All they hug up man. Me take me two eye them and see
so what me fi do with him? Play hand clap?
Careful how you talk to
No,
me.
me man.
Not because you reach how much you ear roll. Your feet so you can come stand up in it. Look here, it's not Jason you're talking to.
Yes,
because I realize say you take Jason for one piece of idiot. But wait until Jason realize and find out how you stay. You hear? Because there's a lot of good women out there who need a man just like Jason. You know, sister Jason, watch out. She laugh. You know, sister Jason, a trade man. Who no one trade man? It look like you just want to walk around and deal with man, figure your things just so forget back things from you. What and so you go. You're not ready for the life yet. You don't have a life. You have that good man. Look here, you know what? Me they can't go about my business. You alright.
Better you go on.
Make sure say none your mouth me food out of my pot because make sure say a man you they come with a me gate and he must give you money. You go provide for yourself. You see how you can take your mouth and tell me say a big woman provide for yourself. Me you go can give a little catch. But wait, make Jason come to me come ask him about you. Anyway, me I tell him say you in them. Me not pick up for you, come in pick up for pick me on the two.
Go on for your man yard. Me I got going off me.
Jason fit tap and give you money. You too.
One, no mommy. One.
Yeah, like you
See
said.
taxi I go if you go on.
Like you said me.
Taxi I come.
Jason.
Good
Good
day.
day. What happened? You depend on hard work, man.
Yeah, go on. And then I make a little digging bar for somebody. So what go on?
I come to talk to you about Angela.
Angela.
Yes.
What do you know?
I go tell you what she do. Because it look like you love too much till it blind all your eye. Angela is my daughter, which you know. You is my son-in-law. And you could have been even my son too. Me can be your mother, you know, Jason. Me love you like that as my son-in-law. But me do not like what Angela they do to you. I swear. She don't love you.
Which Angela would understand the type of love me have for her.
Me know say you love her, and the damn blasted girl know say you love her too. But you see them kind of woman there? The amount of work when me come down here and come see the work. And I build people grill, people gate, people this, people fence, people all kind of things. In a fire. The sparkling them off of the fire can flash and burn in your eye. The danger where you go through just to support my daughter. Me don't like how she dey deal with you. And me wouldn't like to have a son, even though me not have a son. Me wouldn't like to have a son. I want next woman daughter they do my son so. You work too hard and help my daughter for my daughter treat you so bad. Me don't like it. Me not tell you no lie. I cannot be a hypocrite. Me not be no hypocrite mama them. You love my daughter. Me not stop you from love her, you know. But you need to take more care of you. Better care and show you about love. Because enough woman out there would have really love to find a man like you. You support my daughter, you show her love every dime, every penny, every cent you have, you give it to her. She not hungry, she not short and nothing. Me can't believe. Say this girl a treat you so. Me will tell you one little secret, but do. Where your neighbor them there? I hope you not tell her say I'm me because I'm me her mother and she a go feel away. And no matter of fact, I don't give a damn if you tell her say it's me tell her that she doing it. You know say Angela they have man with you?
Well, what do you mean she have man with me?
You know when woman a give man bun. She dey cheat on you then. That me mean. She have a next man with you. That me mean. And that is not right. Who to tell her she know they take your money them where they work and give next man? Me uncle come fi tell you, you know. How should they behave with you? But as a young man, you need to look into yourself too. I know say you, Jason, nothing make no woman treat you like that. You is a hard-working man. Me know you a long time. And me can't believe say all your life you dey work is just to give my daughter money. No, it might sound like say me is a bad mother. You know? And they wonder why me I carry my daughter name to you. Jason, I can be your mother. Me do not want you. Me not like how my daughter they treat you. You need to take a grip of yourself now. Turn up and talk to Angela and tell her say if she not change her dirty ways, then you are going to leave her and move on with your life because you, Jason, need a better woman who understand the work where you do. Say this moment you will have money and the next moment you not have none. Me a woman, but some of we woman feel satisfied. That's why we get left. Next time we get some good man in our life and we make the good man come out of our hand. Anyway, Raina, come down.
Alright.
Me have to go leave now.
Alright, Miss Candy. I'm just finish the last something and answer.
Me like your girl them when you met though.
Yeah, man.
Yes, you look very nice. You're a hard-working boy, my son. Don't worry yourself.
Yep.
Even if you and my daughter left me not tell if you left her, you know, man, come say you need to look into yourself. If it's up to you, me just not like what she a do to you.
Me deal with it, man.
Anyway, me gone. Me not come down and me not have no umbrella.
Alright.
Anyway, take care, eh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Father, are you then called Janko?
Yo, my name Janko, you know, my name Django.
Oh. Sorry about that, my father. You know, say Renito send me come run a car. Watch on the man. You know, say if I strap me, I look to buy my father. You know, if you stay. Say you have the best strap him, you know.
Renito. Yo, I hope on the Adams, you know. Yeah, man, and me have the strap them, man. What kind of strap you look? Cause a different type of strap me have, you know, but man. Me have some 9mm, some Glock and them thing there, you know. Me have all a Remington too, you know, shotgun, you know. So where you look?
Me not too know nothing about no gun, you know, but as me say, I just want something affordable and something I wear. Because I just have a little mission and me just step on a level and I just need to get some out of the way, isn't it? So anything I just want it affordable, just give me and I know I go.
Alright. Oh yourself, man. I'll show you what me I can.
Just give me that one.
We want for now. Come.
Yes, everything good with it. That work.
Yeah, man, they say everything there.
Yeah, man, everything good.
Alright, no, come.
Dirty Angela! Hello, who is you? Where you come on my gate for? Come down here. Come and understand what I'm going, you know. Look here, man. Be quiet. If you want me, all you have to do is simply call me nice, then I will come down there to you. You come on my gate and I make one roll per night. Swamp hog. Who are you say, Abby? What you coming about? Where you coming on my gate with your whole heap of nights for? This look like your sardine thing. Robert, baby mother. You don't look like something Robert would have done with. What do you know about what Robert would have done with? You know Robert? You know who's Robert? Huh? If Robert never come here, I don't know him. He look like you don't know your man. Girl, I hold for years now, me live with Robert. And you now come in a my relationship, when me not for so long, come draw out the little money when me forget from Robert. Then sister, if me say you need help with the relationship, me must help you with the relationship. Me don't need no help. You can't keep your man? Me don't need no help. And if me couldn't keep him, what that have to do with you? What that have to do with you? When I see that a sister can do her work, me have to help her. No, girl. Because you don't look like, you're big enough, but you don't look like you can manage Robert. You but Robert like can manage me. So you don't need to worry about what me can do. Some part he manage me just fine. You're lucky say get locked. Somebody cannot jump over it. You lucky say find me, can't find the key. Me say lucky say get locked, girl. So jump over it. You say if I left Robert, just see what happened to you. You say if I left him, lady, be quiet. You see because me never been girl. You say if you stay for when you left Robert, just watch what go happen, girl. Just watch what go happen. Watch what go happen. Watch what go happen. But that sound like a threat. Girl, it is a promise. Best believe. But you're the right answer, so I cannot just jump and come over. Cause me not make for argue, me not make for chase. Me not make for chase, girl. So jump over it. Cause me can't find the key. Get your key up. Jump over it. Me can't find the key. Jump over it and come to me. I want to come out there to you. Alright, Miss Bad Lady. Just watch what happen. Just watch what happen. Just tell a man for me. Cause I look like you can't manage me, sister. Just tell a man for me. Watch what happen. Jump the gate and me there right here. They say watch what happen. Take time and go on. Bullfrog. Go on here, yard. Sardine bullfrog. Robert, you know me not understand you. How if you make your woman get me address and come back and war me this morning? I be a disgrace this morning, you know. One piece of halabaloo. Oh, come on, we not take the knives and sit in them place there, no, man. You have to know what you do, man.
Angela, listen me. You understand and you know from before so I have my woman. Zane? And you say you will work with the program. Right? And I like say, boy, I put on my phone careless. Asleep. My phone have code. I don't know how my woman know my code. Go in on my phone. And the fact that you may have code, me not delete no message. My message in on my phone. So me never expect say that to go on like she should come here. She not strike me as a type of person. Me and she never ever cuss before. So it shocked me if you know so she come down here and come go on so.
Look here, you see if I did call, she called me, you would have bad or not so bad. But she come on me yard, Robert. She come on me yard. And the scheme no used to them the night and something a big disgrace that, you know.
Listen, it's not what happen again. I gotta deal with it. Don't worry yourself. I gotta deal with it. Alright?
Morning, ladies.
Morning, officer.
I got a call from the station about somebody got shot.
Yes, officer, me.
So who do you think could have done something like that?
My boyfriend. Me and my other man did song like car, you know. And him bust 2 shot after me, but he never to catch me bad. Crazy me right here, so.
Okay, so what's your boyfriend's name?
Joseph Ferran.
Jason Ferran. So I'm a bad man. So where
No,
is
man a bad man.
so where is Mr. Ferran from?
13 North Street up the road.
No, miss, excuse me. Me can say something to you, please?
Yeah, man. Sure.
I know Jason very well.
Okay.
He's a very hard-working person. I know him for years, and he's a good man. This is my daughter, and I know Jason. Jason take care of this girl. I talk to this little girl
Mommy,
so many
talking,
times.
no, man.
No, hold up now. Your daughter say a Jason shoot him. So we are work off for the one who will have the wound right now. So which part Mr. Jason there?
Me and him used to live up at 13 North Street, me tell you.
Alright, don't say no more. Say no more. I will just get Mr. Jason. Thanks for that information.
Alright.
Angela,
Mommy.
I'm sorry for what really happened to you.
So I got police, so come for him.
Anyway, you know you feel pain and so. But, this will happen to you. And me go to Jason and go tell Jason say I have mine.
What you say, Mommy?
Yes.
Mommy, you idiot supposed to then kill me.
Then me glad say you're not dead, because
Are
if
you
you did
sure
dead,
shoot?
me wouldn't come to confess to you. Me glad say you're not dead. At least my conscience set me free if it tell you now. Say it's me. Because me never like what I do to the people them pick me. Angela, Jason is a good man to you. You see in a real life, don't take man things if you know say you don't love them and you don't want them. Me not glad saying do that to you, you know. Because when me tell him, me not tell him if he can't do this to you. You're my daughter. Me just want you look into yourself and know say, you must somebody else pick me too. And you know if you use people boy pick me like that. Because me wouldn't like Jason take you up and I use you as a mother. I mean your mother, you know. So me know say feel mother. If he hear about him, I go feel bad. You understand? So when me go to him and go explain what really the good on why I deal with him so. I true me not like him, I'm a mother too. I would like to have a son and nobody girl pick me take him and they doing so. But me really sorry. But thank God you're not dead.
Thank God for true. Come on, I know where you go tell Jason for.
Anyway.
Everything if you talk, Mommy.
Me know. Next time me I got make sure say me mind me own business and come out of my children them business. Because I true me use my mouth. That's why I nearly lose your life. But thank God you is here today.
Thank God for true.
Angela, you know say me love you. But do. You see the next time you take up people boy picnic, treat them better than that. You need to treat them good. Especially the man them will take care of you. And then that take out them all gear. Just treat them good, my love. Here?
Oi, boss. Mr. Jason. Come over here, sir. You're under arrest for the attempted murder of your girlfriend, Angela.
Me?
Yes, you feel police are that boy.
Listen to me now. I'm me and my uncle there from when me not left me and go nowhere. So this way I come to me about Angela. Me not say Angela from when. You know long me not say Angela. Angela left me and move out and live with man.
Stop it, they can't take police either. They hear from the horse's mouth. Come here, me lock you up. Come here, boy. If you move, I shoot you. Hey, boy. What you do? Get up.
they take police for?
You don't know, it has been what? From October until now, call it around 3 months since we moved to the new location, and things has been going good, to be honest. It has been going good. We're trying to explore with all of the options as it pertains to filming in different location in Petersfield, and things has been going good so far. The only downturn to things that you guys been watching the channel, you know that 1010 is sick. She's in the hospital. Hopefully she can recover very soon. You know, she in our prayers. You know, you guys, which are subscribers of the channel, are praying for her. You don't know how Jamaica healthcare system set up, and you don't know, say, if it's a case be that she might need to go outside of public healthcare, that will cost. So that's why you hear me go on the channel and even on the lives and tell you guys, if you want to help financially, just send a team come. I'll just pass it on to her, because at the end of the day, she one away. And when one away sick, you know, it affects us in the sense of us creating, you know what I say? And that's a big part of it. So please, if you want to help, link me up on Instagram. Me not to give up my number at times because people call for some weird reason, so me not to do that. But apart from that, because you know we don't love dwell on all the negatives, because she being sick, that's not a good thing. Hopefully things are transition into a new era as it pertains to next year. I don't want to talk too much about things before them happen, but there are things that are in the works, and we want to say thank you for the persons who have been supporting and have been encouraging me with words of how I should go about pushing forward what I am doing. And we want to say thanks to all those wonderful people who believe in the dream what we have of making Jamaica a better place through filmmaking. And as I said, hopefully next year we can jump into a new era. I personally, I need a cinematographer. I think I need somebody to help me film, because with that we can probably put out more work and we can be more efficient. So if there's somebody out there that has the knowledge of filmmaking and they want to be a part of something that is going forward, link me up on Instagram and let me know, say, yo, you're interested in being a part of it. Once you can film, make me know, because as I said, I need somebody to film. Not necessarily an editor, because I edit and alter and edit. So with that, I don't think I really need an editor, but we need somebody to film, or somebody who has the basic knowledge of filmmaking, and then we can show them the rest of it to help me get some more work done. Because a lot of times I have other things doing, and that kind of take away from the fact that I want to create things on YouTube. What else did I touch on? Yeah, if there are persons out there that has their small business and they want to advertise it, they can link me up just the same. We can put it at the end of the video, because there's a lot of people who watch the videos, and sometimes those type of ads can attract new customers. So link me up if you're not interested. Alright, big up on yourself. Thank you guys for always supporting what we do while we push forward into a new year. It's December. We are excited to go into the new year. So big up on yourself. Continue to watch, continue to support, continue to lend a hand where it's necessary. Big up on yourself.
Robert, you know me not understand you. A foolishness you keep up. How your woman get my address for come here and cuss me? If I never have my neighbor them, you know. I them to come save me, not the
No,
girl
you
pull
can't
me.
say that, because me not have neighbor for putting it. Anything we say, we have to go do it. You understand? Anything we say, that's something we have to go do. So you can just say, Robert, you're so careless.
Your woman come here one bag of disgrace out here, me have to come out here and put her in her place. Oh, she find me address, yes.
Beat me.
Yeah.
know, mommy not
Oh,
taking
she
them
find me
foolish
address. Me say, listen, Angela. I sleep, you know. And look like your woman search my phone. You understand? She search my phone. And matter of fact, you understand and you didn't know before, say, me and my woman. So like say you don't know. Then you ready?
Yeah, we don't know, sir.
Before I come out the room, I'm sure when she come back to you, after this.
Not necessarily.
After I come beat you.
No man, not necessarily. Ready now, Alton? No, we are doing part where you introduce yourself. No, stay. Stepping back now to our candy and action.
Yeah, good on me.
Let me ask you a question. No?
Lord God, we can start that. Where you go? Step back now, candy. Ready now and action.
Lord.
Hold on.
Alton, from
Yeah, probably
before
can't.
ungrateful hour.
Just start back from ungrateful.
This one.
No, I
Oh, where did the time candy pick up? Where did it?
if you and Jason know about that again, just start.
Start
Start
candy.
with
Yeah, ready now.
Ready? So you and Jason number that day again?
Mommy,
Ready.
Because I realize so you take Jason for one piece of idiot.
No. Make sure you start here.
Oh.
Go on now.
I'm mommy this say.
No, candy and she gone way back with someone.
Alright.
I candy, continue.
Go back look a bit, Kenny.
Yeah, man, me see you take Jason for one side.
Right, there's something to start
Yeah,
from?
man, that's one.
Because I realize so you take Jason for one piece of idiot.
Ready, Davis?
Actually, kind of like police, me. I know that's so.
No, making time. Ready now?
Shut him down. Get some police over there.
Ready now?
Yeah.
And action.
Where you coming from?
Ready, Alton?
Action.
Yo, Angie. No, we can't call her Angela. Angela.
Robert.
No, you always said to me, say, I'm going to see more. I said, no, Robert. Ready.
Oh.
Ready.
Robert, I want to see you look more after.
Yo, Angela. You understand what really are going, right? So I have my woman in my yard. So I only can see you when I can.
So what does that have to do with me, Robert?
Yeah, me just make you know. So right now, relationship, if you just stay as it is, can't be more serious than how it is right now.
I just want to know, say my money not short and that is it. Me not trouble her, she not trouble me. Me keep my boundaries, she keep fair.
Well, me just want to know, say you understand the fullness. Understand? Yeah. So, look how much I can circle, yeah?
Alright. How much you bring when you come?
Don't worry about that. You just carry me and carry. Just be like and just relax yourself. You get.
Come have something for sort out.
Alright, good all time. I think that, you know.
I don't understand, you know. Why when people, women say good relationship, at that time they choose to want to break it up. My Robert baby mother. How much years me and Robert live a yard? All of a sudden, you have woman again? How where you come from?
Ready.
Hang.
Morning Swampag. Me never call people Swampag, I don't know why.
Alright, come on now. Ready.
So how no want the girl if you done me, I mean if you done her?
Come on, just come on.
Come.
Me don't understand. Look how long me and Robert then, and every time I choose to appear. Where Robert get woman from? Where Robert get woman from?
Miss, hush up and be quiet. You don't look like something where Robert would have done with.
What you know about Robert?
What me know about Robert?
I look at money with Robert. Have you a plan to come here and me not get nothing? What you know about Robert?
Wait, don't look
Okay.
back.
Right with me left, huh?
Alright, so she come to you now. Want it back. So she come in to you. Hello, I'm here. And you then can start listen. Me and my man Ray, you start some more like a girl. You come to him, you know. Listen to me. Your own record, you start a cussing. You're cussing. You see me?
Dog me coming on no shame. Anything else if I me want dog me good. So me shame the first part in Percy Junior. Ready, Alton? Oh.
Me not understand.
Come on, sir. I'm going to start off then.
Alright, start
But
her.
every acting
Well, let me disrespect you then, because when me disrespect you, must I go find something to clap me.
Ready.
Good morning, Swampag. Where you come, suffer?
Good morning, bitch. A Robert baby mother.
No, bitch.
Can't use bitch in there.
Is it bitch? Eh?
Shut up.
It's a wild horse.
Oh, yeah. Say my mother say my mother say what are you?
Ready.
Step out, Brittany, and step in. Ready, and
But then they give me time for you.
You ready now? And action.
Where you coming about? Where you coming out with gate with your whole heap of night? This look like your sardine thing.
A Robert baby mother.
You don't look like something Robert would have done with.
What you know about where Robert is there with? You know Robert? You know who's Robert? Huh?
If Robert never come here, more don't know him. He look like you don't know your man.
Girl, I hold for years now, me live here with Robert. And now come in a relationship. I mean not for so long. Come draw out a little money when me to get from Robert.
Then sister, if me say you need help with the relationship, me no must help you with the relationship.
Me don't need
you
no
can't
help.
keep your man.
Me don't need no help. And if me couldn't keep him, what I have to do with you? What I have to do with you?
When I see that a sister can do her work, me have to help her.
No, girl.
Cause you no look like you're big enough, but you don't look like you can manage Robert. You
But
don't look
Robert
like you.
can manage me. So you don't need to worry about what me can do.
Some papa
He manage me just fine. You're lucky say get locked.
Somebody cannot jump over it. You lucky say I find me can't find the
Me
key.
say you're lucky say get locked, girl.
So jump over it. Jump over it. Jump over it, girl.
Pull on.
Me? Ready? Say last word to Ashley.
No, man, same thing again. So what's your boyfriend name? Ready again?
My fellow Jamaican diasporans and friends of Jamaica, greetings. I am Rosemary Adamson Lois, Doctor of Nursing Practice, Board Certified Family Nurse Practitioner, specializing in psychiatric disorder and mental health, Associate Professor of Pathophysiology and Pharmacology, owner and founder of Total Healthcare Services and Wellness, and my nonprofit organization, Rosa's Garden of Hope Foundation. A daughter of Jamaica from humble beginnings. I have worked extremely hard to accomplish my goals and dreams, and I am very passionate about giving back in a real way to Jamaica and Jamaicans by creating opportunities in healthcare, education, youth advocacy, and representing Jamaica in the southern United States, all 13 southern United States. I am the sitting president for the Jamaica Diaspora, Southern United States, JADIAS, past treasurer for the Jamaican Diaspora Advisory Board, Southern United States. For many years, I have served our communities well, doing medical missions to Jamaica and adopting the Robbins Hall Health Center in Manchester, Jamaica, participated in the Diaspora Days of Service for the past 17 years, just to name a few projects. I am an active member of the Board of Caribbean Anti-Trafficking Committee, CAC, and a board member of Partners for Youth Foundation. I have been a youth advocate for years, not only locally here in the United States, but in the UK, Europe, and the Caribbean.